So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the first order discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be entitled to an exclusive, amazing page like this, where you can see about the premium deals of Hostinger. If you scroll below, you can see about Hostinger reviews on different websites. You can see on different websites, and if you scroll below, you can see their three most popular plans. Premium, business, cloud, startup. But in case if you want more plan, you can simply select hosting and select other plans. But you know that these three plans are very good, have almost everything. Just look around at the features, almost everything is included in them. Even you can have one-click WordPress installation, automatic website migration. You are getting WooCommerce, no-code website builder, amazing security features including DDoS protection, 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and access to global data centers. Like you can host your website in different countries, and then they provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology, which makes it exclusively amazing fast. If you look around, their websites hosted on Hostinger are at least 3 times fast if you compare them with the competitors. So now to get the first order discount, simply select any plan. Okay, you can do your research on what function and features you may need. Let's say we're going with the premium plan. Simply select the add to cart. Make sure to click on the link in the description in case if you're looking for the special first order discount. So once you click on the link in the description, you are select your plan and select the add to cart. You will be redirected to another page. Here you can see the summary of what you are going to buy. You can see that these are limited time deals, so I want my audience to grab it as soon as possible. Now choose your billing period. Okay, if you ask me, this is an only one time deal. Okay, you are not going to see these rates again, so I recommend you to offer the 48 months, because you are getting the bargain over here for like 4 years. My suggestion is to offer this much, but you can also offer 24 or 12 months, whatever suits your budget. Once you select your billing period, you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID, or you can synchronize with a Google or Facebook account over here. Once you are done with this, scroll below, select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. Once you select the apply button, you can see that a price which was already discounted got a further discount, and now this is an exclusive coupon for my audience. There is another coupon code as well. You can use this one as well, which is with the name of HI10. You can also find this coupon code in the description of this video. You can see that a price got a further discount, and you know that these coupon codes going to work with any plan you choose. So if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger and you're looking for the first order discount, then make sure to use either of these coupon codes to get awesome, amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.